How to connect your Samsung Smart TV to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings on your Samsung remote. Press the Home button and go to Settings. Step 2. Go to Network Settings. Scroll down and select General and Privacy Network. Open Network Settings. Step 3. Select Wireless. Choose Wireless, Wi-Fi as your connection type. Step 4. Pick your Wi-Fi network. Your TV will scan and show available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi name. Step 5. Enter password type in your Wi-Fi password carefully and press Done. Step 6. Confirm connection. Once connected, your TV will show a confirmation message and your online. Method 2. Connect via Ethernet, wired internet. If you prefer a stronger, more stable connection, plug an Ethernet cable from your Wi-Fi router into the LAN port on the back of your Samsung TV. Go to Settings, General and Privacy Network. Open Network Settings. Select Wired, Ethernet. Your TV will automatically connect. No password needed. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Samsung Smart TV to the internet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.